Well, the boss, aka Barb Vila, is working today. Time's winding down. We got a few chores we need to accomplish, so step in me. What will I ever do without Barb Vila? We're gonna give it a shot. First up, this pesky old stabilizer check. Let's take a look at it. That there is what we are looking at. We bent that when we were in Hershey. Hershey? Nah. It was Pennsylvania. Right? RV travel problems. Don't recall where we were. So we bent that when we were in Pennsylvania, and it's about time we get down to getting it fixed. I talked to Lippert, the manufacturer, ordered the right part, so now it's just time to get to it. Looks like I need to move the old sewer hose here, and that should get me to it. But this time I gotta remember to take off the kingpin stand. Whoopsies, didn't do that when I measured the jack. Heard a ping! Hopefully everything's okay. Let's get to fixing stuff. So this here is what came in the mail in the box. This is the new jack stabilizer, whatever you want to call it. And up here are these two clips. So my plan here is to find those two clips, unclip them on the old one, maybe take a picture of which bolts are in which hole, put it back together the exact way that I'm taking it apart. Also, so far, trying to fit which socket would fit on there. Looks like it's a 3/4 inch socket, and I'm going to use our breaker bar to try to break those loose. Seems easy enough, right? Let's give it a shot. I made it to the ground. That's half the battle. I see those clips. There's a zip tie holding those up higher. I'm thinking if I cut that, maybe I can get to them a little better. Let me try to show you what I'm doing here. Here's those clips. Here's that zip tie. Let me cut that loose. Yep, that allowed me to pull this out a little bit more. Get it closer so I can see what I'm doing. See if I can get these unclipped. That's my man going down. Here's the last one. Here's the old one. Dirty. Yeah, you can see where we bent the crap out of it. So yeah, now the plan is to put the new one on. Look how dirty that is. So ours is a little bit different. Curious about. The wires come out here, where the new one will show you where those wires come out. And that's a little bit different, but I think we'll still have plenty of room to get them connected. Looks like same connectors. We'll count the number of bolt holes, make sure those line up, and we'll just put them back in the same hole and bolt it back in. We can do this, right?
Yeah, teamwork. F5. We did it. Now let's put it on the RV.
Nah, I'm done.
Okay. Hit the like button if you like this video. Now let's go eat some lunch.
I suppose we'll finish it. It's heavy. Bring it over here. Very flattering view, I'm sure. But we left the top bolt in over here, and we counted which bolts were in going from the top over here. They were numbers
1, 4, and 6.
1, 4, and 6.
And I'm pretty sure the right one was 6, 7, and 8.
Right now we're gonna lift it up. You just put it on that bolt and then slap the other bolts in, and then we'll tighten them down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope. One more.
Recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Put in 2 below it, please.
Got it.
Cool. We don't need to plug it in yet. Get that all the way in. And then we're gonna tuck these wires back up here and zip tie them just like we found.
So it looks great. You're doing a good job. Now all I have to do is work my 8 hours, or 8.5, or 9, or whatever it is today. And I can kick up my feet and relax. Thanks, Bob Vila. Got it.
So much bubble wrap in here. I couldn't even see the bottom. Guess what I found? Brand new foot. Now for the moment of truth. We'll hit auto level. Auto level.
Where? Oh.
Where? Good girl. Woo! All in all, that wasn't terrible. I think the toughest part was
Getting it off.
trying to zip tie the wire back up out of the way. Not too shabby, and it worked. We're back level. All is right in the world. Well, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you were entertained and maybe found it a bit useful.
Yeah, if you like this video, hit a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of our awesome content, hit the subscribe button.
Well, I'm Bill,
I'm Will,
and we're nursing our travel bug.
encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy.
Now go leave a comment. Don't leave yet, leave a comment.
Yeah.
Take care, guys.
Bye. And hit the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.